Welcome to the LinkedIn Marketing Microschool. I'm super excited to have you here, and I'm your faculty for this particular program. In case we haven't met, my name is Neeraj Shah, and I'm a LinkedIn expert and a social selling strategist. I help entrepreneurs and consultants unlock the power of LinkedIn so that they're able to create a lucrative pipeline of high value clients. For the last 16 years, I've been working with entrepreneurs to use business networks to multiply their influence, income, and their impact in their chosen niche. I grew BNI India, a business networking group, from 0 to 10,000 entrepreneurs across 28 cities in India. I helped these entrepreneurs generate $450 million using business networking. My goal for this program is to give you some very practical step-by-step blueprint to use LinkedIn effectively to generate high value leads. We're going to be covering three specific things. Number one, how do you create a killer all-star LinkedIn profile so that you can attract your future ideal client? We will set it up so that you become visible on LinkedIn and your profile conveys the relevant authority and competence in the right way. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to help you find your prospects, your perfect prospects, quickly using LinkedIn. And how is it that you initiate conversation with them? Okay. And lastly, I will teach you a 5-step nurture sequence that will help you turn your LinkedIn connections into high value clients. Each step is going to have a very clear and actionable assignment so that you'll be able to quickly increase your influence, your income, and your impact using LinkedIn. So looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you.